so good afternoon, class. So today we were going to talk all about task teaching practice style. So what is task teaching practice style? A method where the teacher explains and demonstrates a skill briefly, then students practice it immediately. Focus is on repetition, mastery, and correcting errors while doing. Okay, so in task teaching practice style, the teacher first demonstrates the skills. Like for example, basic skills in basketball, the dribbling. So first, the teacher will demonstrate dribbling, and after that, he or she will give a chance to students to perform those skills in order for them to execute the skills properly. So, how to use in PE? So first, explain. Briefly state the objective and rules. Number two, demonstrate. Show the correct movement. Example, shooting a ball, proper posture. Number three, practice. Students perform the activity repeatedly in drills or games. Number four, feedback. The teacher walks around to correct mistakes and give praise. So, yes, first, briefly state the objective rules. So, yes, the teacher will first state what is the objective or the goals of the lesson. Like, for example, shooting a ball. So, then she will let the students practice. So the student will perform the activity repeatedly in a drills or a games. And lastly, the teacher will give a feedback to students. Like for example, when the students are doing the skills, so he or she will correct the mistakes or give praise to the students while observing the students' performance. So how to use and help. So first is model. Show a procedure. Like for example, hand washing, bandaging, or first aid steps. So like for example, bandaging. So first, the teacher will model on how to how what are the proper ways in bandaging. So next is role play or simulate. Students practice the steps in pair or groups. So the students will practice together with their classmates, maybe in pairs or groups. And next is apply. Perform the task in a realistic scenario. So when the students have an idea of what are the correct proper bandaging, so the students can perform the task in a realistic scenario or a or in a yes, in a realistic scenario. So what are the strengths? So easy to understand and follow. Yes, it is easy to understand and follow because task teaching and practice style is yung pagtuturo mo sa yung mga students ay on that spot, and also it is also focuses on one skills only. So next, build muscle memory and confidence fast. Yes, it builds muscle memory since you as a students have an idea of what are the steps or the proper way on how to execute the skills. Next is keep student active and engaged. Yes, keep the student active and engaged because doing those skills or performance is engaging because it is play or performed by a group or in pairs. So last is teacher can correct mistakes right away. Yes, because when teaching, class teaching practice style is the teacher is teaching the students on the spot, and he or she can easily correct mistake because while observing. So next is weaknesses. So can be boring if just repeating without variation. Yes, it can be boring because if the teacher is teaching one skill, so in an entire day or entire hour, it is boring because ito ay paulit-ulit na lang na ginagawa ng mga students because it's focuses in one only skills. So, next is focus mostly on how rather than why. Less critical thinking. Yes, it is focuses on how because In class teaching practice style is the students will students' goal is the students' goal is how to properly execute or perform the skills. So without, yes, less critical thinking. Next is less effective for complex or creative activities. Yes, because the only the students do is only he or she will repeatedly execute or practice the skills. Next is students with different skill levels may progress at very different speeds. Yes, because not all students have different skill level. So some of the students are advanced of the particular skills, and also some of the students have nothing, wala silang masyadong alam sa particular skill na tinuturo ng teacher or guro. So that's all. Thank you.